Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your phone and SIMs before making changes. Insert the physical Nano SIM into the tray gently and power on the device. Open Settings and choose Cellular or Mobile Data to add an eSIM profile. Scan the carrier QR code or enter activation details provided by the carrier. Label each line as primary or secondary so you can identify them quickly. Finally, set the primary line for calls and default SMS in the same settings menu. Next, manage how calls and data function on both lines for daily use. In mobile data settings, select which line will handle cellular data by default and enable data switching if available. Enable Wi-Fi calling for the line that has better carrier support to boost call reliability. Set the primary line to handle voice calls and default SMS to avoid confusion during outgoing messages. Use data switching so an active call does not interrupt your mobile data connectivity. Finally, configure roaming, APN, and common troubleshooting steps for smooth operation. Enter APN settings provided by each carrier to ensure mobile data and MMS function correctly. When traveling internationally, turn off roaming for the secondary line to avoid unexpected charges and keep the primary line as your roaming line if needed. If you experience call or data issues, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for a quick network refresh. Contact each carrier if persistent problems remain or profiles fail to activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.